Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing your canvas and tools because a clear base makes all later steps faster. Start a light horizon and pick a single vanishing point to keep the 3D flag consistent. Now sketch a thin vertical pole, then draw a rectangular plane for the flag at a slight angle. This creates depth and suggests wind. Use light strokes so you can refine later. Once done, check proportions. Pole height versus flag length should look balanced to your eye. You now block in the 3 horizontal color bands, saffron, white, green, following the angled plane you drew. Block colors quickly to judge balance. Then begin shading. Darken areas away from the light source and add midtones where the fabric curves. This contrast creates the illusion of volume. Carefully draw a central Ashoka chakra, a precise circle with 24 evenly spaced spokes, because accuracy makes it read correctly at a distance. Make sure to maintain perspective as you shade transitions. You finish by refining folds and creases. Add thin curved lines where fabric bends, then place soft shadows beneath them to sell depth. Next, apply sharp highlights along the ridges facing your light source. This gives the flag a silky, 3D look. Smooth or smudge transitions a bit so the material appears natural. Finally, clean the flag edges, enhance contrast, and verify chakra symmetry. If spokes look off, erase and redraw with a simple protractor or radial guide. Troubleshooting tip: if perspective looks wrong, nudge the vanishing point and relight shadows to match.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.